In a world where tensions can escalate rapidly, the idea of conflict between two global superpowers looms large. As we reflect on this complex relationship, we must consider not just the military might but the economic intertwining that defines our current era. The military capabilities of both nations are formidable. The United States boasts advanced technology and a strong naval presence, while China has rapidly modernized its forces and expanded its reach in the region. What would happen if these two powers were to clash? Beyond the battlefield, the economic implications of such a conflict would be profound. Global markets would tremble, supply chains would be disrupted, and the very fabric of international trade could unravel. Reflecting on these scenarios reminds us of the interconnectedness of our economies. Geopolitically, a war could reshape alliances and create new power dynamics. Countries would be forced to take sides, and the balance of power in Asia and beyond could shift dramatically. It's a sobering thought that reflects the fragility of our global order. As we reflect on these hypothetical scenarios, it becomes clear that the stakes are high. The importance of diplomacy and dialogue cannot be overstated. In a world filled with uncertainties, striving for understanding and peace is more crucial than ever. In the end, the thought of conflict between China and America serves as a reminder of the complexities of our world. It challenges us to think critically about our roles as global citizens and advocates for a future where cooperation prevails over confrontation.